What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And you guys just saw me in the previous video wearing the same outfit. So today we're actually going to be installing the carbon fiber front lip, side skirt extensions, rear bumper extensions, and the spoiler. So hopefully we can get this knocked out tonight all in one. If not, then we're going to have to postpone some things for tomorrow because we don't want to rush it. But and you'll see everything just kind of come together in this video. So if we have to push it out to 2 days, we will. If not, then I'll show you guys how the whole thing looks. So I'm just gonna do a quick little walk around to show you guys how there's no rear bumper extensions, no spoiler, no side skirts. And then the fun part is definitely gonna be the front lip, which I'm excited to see because I think that's gonna bring the whole front end together. Yeah. Ready? Ready to get to work? Because I'm just watching and you're doing everything. So we got the side skirt extensions on, the rear bumper extensions or spats, rear spats, whatever you guys, I call them rear bumper extensions. And now,
rear splitters.
Yeah, rear splitters too. Now here we have the CS style lip for the M2 bumper for the F30. So we're gonna have to jack up the car a little bit. And then all these holes that are pre-drilled are the holes that line up with the bumper. So I'm gonna take out the screws that are in there and then line these up. We're gonna put double-sided tape all along the whole lip and hope that it sticks on there enough for us to do some self-tapping screws on here. Other than that, that should be pretty much a straightforward install. All right, guys, so before I put the car down, I know I got asked this before when I installed my P-lip on my F30. So this is how many screws I ended up using. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I have one bolt over there. One over there, so that's, I was counting, that's 12 right total. And this one I could put another one, but I'm missing one of those screws. I thought I had put it in there, but I guess not. So all these lined up with the factory mounting points for the under tray and the bumper. And then all I did was just put double-sided tape along the middle, well, yeah, in the middle and the front, and some on the sides. You don't really have to put any on the little arch, just do it on the bottom. I put some here and then I realized that it's not even touching the bumper because it's got a little gap. But yeah, it's better to have more screws than not. That way, so this thing doesn't fly off. You don't want the lip to come off. So it's on there securely. I'm pretty confident about it. So now let's just go ahead and get the car on the ground and see how it looks. You ready to see it? What you think?
It looks nice. Can't really see it from here.
It's pretty aggressive. So it lines up perfectly straight right here, maybe just off by a little bit, but it's really hard to get these lips 100% even. Let's see. Nope. Yep, perfectly even. same amount of distance on both sides. So it lined up really good. So like I said, Souvenir will be carrying these. I'm not sure if he has them already in stock, but they will be available on the website. And if it is, then I'll have the link down below. Looks really good though. To be honest, I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about it, but seeing it on the car, I think it works. Later on down the line, we might give the other lip a try. I think it's the MTC. So we're gonna rock this one for a bit first, and then down the road we might visit the other lip, which is a little bit more on the conservative side because it doesn't have these little fins on the side. Well, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. We'll close it out.
Time to go sleep. Good night, guys.
Yeah, it is. What time is it?
11:39.
Yeah, it's 11:39. By the time we get to bed, it's probably gonna be close to 12:30. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and we'll see you guys in the next one.